Hey everybody! My name is Mariah Baker, and I was born and raised in Las Vegas, Nevada. I love it here. I absolutely love the desert. I think it's one of the most beautiful places. Something interesting about me is that I'm a redhead, obviously, but I was born into a family of not any redheads. So when I got married, I married a redhead, and then we bought a cat that I was redhead. So I guess the joke is that I felt left out as a child. I'm just kidding. But our son is actually more blonde, which is interesting because we both have very dark red hair, as you can see in this picture. So here's me, obviously. Here's Brian. Here's Jonah. He's about a year and a half older than this picture. And here's our cat, George. So yeah, that's us. I am a music major. I spent most of my college career up in Idaho at BYU, Idaho. But once I finished all my music classes, I ended up moving back down to Las Vegas to be with our extended family and just finish up my credits down here. So basically, I just need to get to my credit limit. But when we moved to Las Vegas, I was actually hired as a music teacher at a small private school. So I know you're thinking probably, how could you be a teacher if she's still in college? Well, private schools have different regulations for their teachers, so they can actually hire people without degrees, which I think is actually cool. But I want to be the best teacher I can be, so I'm just kind of soaking up all these education classes, and I want to be the best teacher I can be for any kind of diversity that comes into my class. So that's why I'm excited about this class. As for the learning... Oh, sorry, let me show you some more pictures to get to know me. I decided to choose this picture. This is from 2 Thanksgivings ago. Me and my sister ended up in the laundry room talking for some reason, and we decided to start texting people to come into the laundry room. Mostly to see how much people we could get in the laundry room, but also to see how long it took other people to notice that everyone was gone. And I decided to show you guys this picture because I just feel like it shows how just the stupidest, randomest things are entertaining to me. It really does not take a lot to entertain me. And that's how my family is. We're just goofy and silly. So yeah, that was fun. Another picture I wanted to show you was this one. This is a picture of me and my husband Brian in Idaho. Some of his coworkers took us horseback riding, and it was super fun. But I wanted to show you this one because I wanted to tell you guys that I just love being outdoors. And this is something I miss about Idaho, because sometimes in Vegas it is too hot to go outside, which is getting there, which makes me really sad. But I miss this about Idaho. But anyway, about the learning types that we took the test on, I ended up being a abstract random. And I was not that surprised because I know that relationships with people are really important to me. I'm someone that would rather sit around a campfire talking to people than go skydiving or do something really, really that a lot of people would think was really cool. I just really value talking and relationships. So it didn't surprise me, but I did learn a lot from it as well. So I learned that my emotions can really affect my concentration. So what that means to me and what I'm excited to apply is to make sure that my emotions are in check before I start to try to learn or try to do the reading. I think that can also mean that I need to have emotions about what I'm reading. So find a way to make it important. So as of now, I am making it important by trying to apply it to my classroom. So I'm really excited to apply that, and I'm excited to learn more about my type. I'm excited to work with all of you and your different type of learning. So I'm really excited to meet you guys. And yeah, that's me.